we set out to improve the standard P-Clamp. Instead, we reinvented it. Introducing the Ratchet Clamp from HellermannTyton. It started with a big idea, a ratchet closure to adjust to multiple bundle diameters and reduce your SKUs. It can be opened and closed more often than you'll ever need to without breaking. No multiple parts to assemble. Close and secure it with one hand. Easy. Need to service your bundle? Removing a clamp for maintenance is old school. Just reopen it. Soft bundles are safe. Internal ribs minimize movement, and soft inserts add an additional layer of cushion. The fully contoured interior automatically centers bundles to eliminate pinching while closing. The Ratchet Clamp is made of impact-modified, heat and UV stabilized PA66. That means it survives exposure to just about any abuse, in an industrial environment or outdoors. If closure requires an exact amount of force, a tension tab and EVO application tool provide a clean finish. We added a bonus cable tie saddle for those times you have an additional routing nearby. As tough as it is, it won't abrade cables and hoses the way traditional P-clamps can. And just a few clamp sizes cover all bundle diameters from 1/4 inch to 3 inches. HellermannTyton's one-of-a-kind ratchet clamp series is available in P-clamp and inline configurations to perfectly fit a growing number of applications in several industries. We invite you to see them for yourself.